slime and I bang it up. We banging a win up. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? Still back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a quick little look at these off-white Nike Dunks. These are the 33 of 50 for that 50 pair collab, whatever you want to call it. Before I get into the review, of course, if you're new to your channel and you do end up liking what you see, share your boys some love, subscribe, turn on notifications, drop a like in the video, and follow my Instagram at RepKicks. Link is in the description for that. With that out of the way, this video is for educational purposes only. Don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. I just want to show y'all what you'd be getting for the price you pay on these websites. So with that said and done, these took about a week and a half, 2 weeks to get here. Boxed, double boxed, bubble wrap, perfect condition, no issues there. So, and yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Let's get right into the shoes. Here you can see the website information, email, WeChat, and if you use the code I review stuff, you can save yourself $15 site-wide on your first purchase, so keep that in mind. You guys do what you want. So that's there, and here are the shoes themselves. Let's put those two aside, take a look at the box. I believe I reviewed a pair of this collab not that long ago, a couple months ago. These are for a friend of mine. So here at the top, you just got the off-white stuff, all the holes with the plastic, blah, blah, blah. You got the drawn in check. And this is new. I don't know what this is about. Team Nike Sportswear, location, style number, fall 21. And yeah, that's pretty much it for that. You got the tag here, size tag. Nike Dunk Low, sale, neutral gray. These are size 12 men's. Little QR code there, as well as here. And that's it. Little pull tab here, and all over the box. That's how that looks. Here is the lot. So if you were to pick these up retail, these are UA. This would be circled, I assume, or colored in. Here, same thing, and you can see this kind of like industrial look all over the box. It's not taped, it's just printed. So yeah, opening the box up, if I can do that. There we go. Inside here you just got the off-white Nike paper and an extra set of laces, which is white with green eglets, it looks like. These are rope laces, whereas there's flat laces on the shoes right now. So that's pretty much it for that. Let's get that out of the way. And here you have the shoes themselves. So this is the left shoe. I like the look of this box sitting here in the corner. But yeah, here is the left shoe. Super dope, my opinion. Here you can see the 33 of 50. Then you got the fall 21, 565, 9470. Super clean shoe. No issues whatsoever with the quality even on this, because I was checking the pair out earlier when they came, and I popped the box open, just kind of checking them over, making sure everything's looking proper. But yeah, really pretty flawless pair. Pretty flawless pair. Really see anything glaringly wrong with them. Suede, so you got suede or nubuck here. Basically everywhere you see gray, that's where that suede material is going to be. Little red, pink tab. It's kind of like an infrared, like on the infrared 6s or whatever. Then basically just regular old white leather here on the toe box. Got that exposed. You got that made in Vietnam tag first and foremost. You got that exposed foam tongue with the hole right through here. And then there's a chunk missing here as well. Cool, less material for your money, of course. We love that in America, North America. Nike tag right there. Overall, super clean. On this side, got off-white for Nike. Nike Dunk Low, Beaverton, Oregon, C 1985. So you can see even along the midsole, super crisp, clean, no paint bleed. up onto the cream from the gray. So yeah, just honestly like really pleased with these in general. This came looking super crisp. Black Nike on the back, printed in gloss. You can see the laces say shoelaces on them. My laces say shoelaces, dipped in kind of rubber there. So those are kind of like the extra laces. You can take them off if you want. Going held in with these things all along the shoe. And then you got the actual laces, which also say shoelaces on them in white, rope laces. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Here is the right shoe. Basically the only difference on this one is you get this little tag that says lot 33 of 50 off white. And that's it. Beyond that, regular old shoe. So a little bit of yellowing here, it looks like. I don't even know what that is. But yeah, you guys can kind of get a better look at them. Again, lot 33 of 50, and that weird, it looks like when you used to mix Play-Doh as a kid. That's what that tab looks like. Same thing though, all over the shoe, you know, no complaints. Quality stays the same, whether it's the left or right shoe. I forgot to mention on the insole, this one you got the off-white face and then you got the hand on the right. Rest in peace Virgil Abloh, by the way. Very sad news, regardless of if you're a UA shopper or, you know, retail. Way too young to go, honestly, for how much you kind of piloted in the fashion community, whether it be Off-White, that Pyrex brand he had in the beginning, you know, just countless collabs, and obviously like Off-White Nike being one of the biggest. So I do see a little flaw right here. I'm not sure if that's glue or what, but that's kind of annoying. Yeah, I believe that's glue. And that should just come off with rubbing it away. If anything, it already looks like it's coming off, so I'm not gonna play with it for too much right now. Just don't want to take y'all time up. Leather's super nice actually on these. But yeah, same thing, you know, blah blah blah. Y'all already know how it go. Size tag right there. These are US 12. And yeah, man, not too much else to say about these clean kicks. If you like them, let me know in the comment section down below. If you're new to your channel, show some love to your boy. With that being said, I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of your day, night, whatever it is, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.